Hi, ladies. I am just in disbelief that we are already in week 4. I am very happy that we are in week 4. Um, my project, just as a reminder, is the project for the food service department through the Springfield Public Schools. I'm working closely to try to increase participation at this particular school, which is in our neighborhood, to try to get the participation up. The program really depends on the participation from the people, which makes sense because obviously, if the participation isn't there, they're not going to keep doing the program. And there are a lot of families that do depend on getting these meals every single, opportunity they have. They're at the school and they're grabbing all the stuff. So what I am trying to do for them is to push up the participation, and this will also help increase the funding that they get for the program. So hopefully that will help them get some extra things into those bags. It'll just be a good chain reaction. This week I worked on some outreach in the community, which was a little bit out of my comfort zone. I reached out to the neighborhood council that is in charge of my neighborhood, and the woman suggested that I utilize the app Nextdoor, which I'm already a part of, and I've seen many people post on this, so I was kind of familiar with what I needed to do. So I actually ended up taking a post that the woman that works for the social media part of the program, I am friends with her on Facebook now. So we have been kind of working together to help get the word out. So I ended up taking that post and posting it on the Nextdoor app. And I'm hoping that, having posted it today, the meal pickups are tomorrow. And I also included all of the other schools besides Bowles School. Bowles is the school that I'm going to be focusing on for my project. But they do add the school meals at various schools throughout the district. So that's kind of where I'm at. I would say that the challenging piece is still trying to figure out how I'm going to reach those families that I think of that are maybe friends or family members that I could try to talk them into just going and grabbing the meals one day for me. A lot of times we often have this thought that if you don't need something, you shouldn't be there taking it from someone else. But this isn't really that kind of a program. They are looking for participation. The more people that are out there and coming to the school and getting the stuff and the free meals, they're going to have their numbers increase, which is only going to be good for the program. So it's trying to communicate that to people. Like, for example, when they first started the program, I had gone over to the school to get the lunches, and I brought them home, and I remember my husband saying, "Why are you doing that? Like, we don't need that. We're not, our cabinets are full, our fridge is full. Like, why are you're taking it from someone else?" And I had to basically explain this to him. Like, if I don't go, I am one less person who's going to the school and getting these meals, which is dropping the participation and makes it look like no one wants this program. So they're going to get rid of it. And at the end of the day, there are families that are depending on these meals and for this program to continue. So I'm really just trying to find some good other alternatives for focusing on how I'm going to talk other people into getting the lunches. I do have 2 sisters, so I'm going to make them go do that because I'm the big sister, so I can swing that, no problem. But hopefully by sharing on my own personal Facebook page, and I did kind of communicate that a little bit, that you don't have to be in need to do this. We'll see what happens. I collected the data from last week, and now I'm going to collect the data at the end of week 5 to see how the participation rates are, if they did get better, and maybe it was because of me, hopefully. But this program has been a fun program to work with, and my TAM, Abby, has been so supportive. She just wants to help me any way she can. So I am looking forward to continuing to help you guys with any kind of feedback or suggestions, helping you narrow something down. Just reach out. I'm here. All right, guys, take care and stay warm with all this snow. We're getting hit with snow in the Northeast. I don't know where everybody is, but stay warm.